To access your assignment today, you're going to need to go to File, you're going to choose Make a Copy, and you're going to choose Entire Presentation. Google is going to rename this Copy of Tangram March 30th through April 3rd. Click OK, and it's going to save in your Google Drive. By doing this, it's going to allow you to move the shapes on this Tangram puzzle and complete it just like you would in the classroom. So we're going to click on slide number 2. You're going to look at these shapes, and we can tell right here this is the outline of a house. You're going to move the shapes to the space that it matches and build this structure. So I can tell this triangle goes here, this one here. This is helping you practice using your mouse on the computer. It does not have to be perfect. And once you have all your shapes in the right place, you can see that we've created a house. Slide number 3 is a swan. I think this one is a fish. And this one is a little more difficult because the shapes aren't outlined here. So you're going to have to play with these and manipulate this and try to build this on your own. Probably going to need some help with from your mom and dad with this one. Okay guys, I want you to work hard and I want you to have fun while you're doing this. I miss you and I hope to see you soon.